Welcome back to Jakubication. This video is about CSS Selectors. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Not an exhaustive list of selectors, just ones that end up being useful. Quickies. Universal selector, the asterisk, selects all elements. The type selector, the name of the HTML element. The ID selector, hash, the ID of the HTML element. Class selector, dot class of the HTML element. Relational selectors, descendant, written as ancestor space descendant, any descendant, not just direct, adjacent sibling, sibling 1 plus sibling 2, like name suggests, just adjacent siblings, not all the siblings on a certain row. Child is parent greater than sign child, just direct descendants. Combination selectors, concatenated selectors. Concatenate means combining two or more strings of text into one thing. Example, span hash first. All spans with the ID of first. Comma separated selectors. Select all these things. Span, comma, H1, comma, H2 selects all spans H1s and H2s. Attribute selectors. Select based on element attributes. Span bracket ID equals first, bracket. All spans with an ID of first. Example. This is a HTML web page with a head, a body, an H1 and H2, and another H2. If you want to select the high in the first H1, you could do just the element selector H1, or you could do body descendant selector H1, because H1 is a direct descendant of body, or you could do body general descendant H1, because H1 is also a general descendant of body. To select there, you would do H1 plus H2, because H2 is a adjacent sibling to H1. And if you wanted to select Bobby, you would have to do H2 plus H2, because Bobby is the only H2 that's an adjacent sibling to the other H2. Ciao.